In this video, we're diving into how to build an effective sales workflow in Salesflare, so you can streamline your process and boost productivity. Whether you're new to Salesflare or just looking to optimize your workflow, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a seamless, automated sales process in just a few steps. First off, let's talk about why a sales workflow is crucial. A well-organized workflow helps your team stay aligned, saves time, and ensures no opportunities slip through the cracks. Salesflare makes it easy by offering a simple yet powerful platform to create and manage your sales process with minimal manual work. To start building your sales workflow in Salesflare, you first want to define your stages. Salesflare allows you to set up stages that match your sales cycle, so whether you're qualifying leads or closing deals, it's all mapped out. Think about the stages that make sense for your business, perhaps lead qualification, negotiation, and closing. You can customize these stages based on your specific sales process. Once your stages are set up, it's time to add contacts. You can automatically pull in contacts from email, calendar, and other tools you're already using, so you don't have to manually input data. Salesflare's AI can help categorize and track these contacts, pulling in important details like recent interactions and social profiles. This ensures you're always up to date without lifting a finger. Next, you'll want to add tasks and reminders to each stage in your workflow. Salesflare makes this easy by allowing you to assign specific tasks to each deal. For example, in the lead qualification stage, you might add a task to follow up with an email or schedule a call. These tasks will pop up as reminders, so you won't miss a beat. It's all about automating the little things to keep you focused on the bigger picture, closing deals. Now, let's talk about automation. One of the key features of Salesflare is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. Once you've created your workflow, you can automate emails, follow-ups, and task assignments. This frees up your time for more strategic work and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. For instance, you can set up automated follow-ups after a certain number of days, or trigger an email when a contact moves to a new stage. Another feature worth mentioning is Salesflare's ability to integrate with other tools. You can connect your email, calendar, and even marketing software to ensure all your communication is in one place. This means no more hopping between tabs or worrying about losing track of important conversations. To really make the most of Salesflare, don't forget to leverage its reporting and analytics tools. These help you track the performance of your sales workflow so you can pinpoint bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Whether you're tracking deal progress or pipeline growth, the insights you get will be invaluable for refining your process over time. And here's a pro tip. Take advantage of Salesflare's mobile app. You can manage your workflow on the go, which is especially helpful if you're traveling or away from your desk. The app syncs with your desktop version, so everything is updated in real time. If you're interested in trying Salesflare for yourself, you can get access to an exclusive free trial through the first link below, along with some additional bonuses. This is a great way to test the software and see how it can boost your sales team's efficiency. To recap, Salesflare is a game changer for building a sales workflow. With its customizable stages, automated tasks, and integrations, you'll have everything you need to drive your sales process forward. By implementing the workflow we've covered today, you can save time, close more deals, and stay organized. Don't forget, the exclusive trial offer is available through the link below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the free trial through the first link.